My people, another thing don't happen again for Italy. Italy woman don't buy one of our brother for Italy, for Italy. I beg this news, and now to sit down, may we talk am. No, na come with me, may we talk this particular news. I beg.
E don cast, last last. Now everybody go chop breakfast.
Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. My people, I bring this news come out for now. The news is shock everybody. In fact, it shortalize me. Na night don't reach. I need to put my children to bed to sleep. But I just say I quick do the video so that I drop on tomorrow Monday. Yes, I just say I quick do the video. My beautiful people, my everybody. In fact, my beautiful people. This our brother, Italian woman, he take him life. Yes, by stabbing him. He stabbed the Nigeria guy. According to the news, Friday night the news come out from Bergamo. I will put the news and I go read that and I go know the city, those who they stay for Italy. Yes, he stabbed the boy. First of all, if I go YouTube, go declare she a widow. Facebook prove that one come and say she don't declare say she a widow. Then you know they plan how to take this our brother life. Yes, you know they plan how she wanted to take this guy life. A 23 years old boy, now fair discover him, now discover in rich house, say his mother don't commit. Now, the woman are 51, but he get pikin of 23 years old. According to the news, I read the news. The one not pronounce. If you go pronounce it on your own, okay? We are here to learn. We are here to hear what they happen for the world, no before any other thing, okay? I bring things come out for now. News. A 51 years old Italian woman changed her relationship status on Facebook to widow shortly after stabbing her Nigerian husband to death. They say he go change that is he profile, he everything about for Facebook to widow after he don't stab this our Nigeria guy. I'll put the news now, still read that on our own. The Italian woman name is Fratus. Fratus. If you be Italy, you go know, you go feel pronounce the name where Fratus allegedly stabbed 31 years old NX for chest in the chest with a knife following a violent why I read break this news come and follow a violent argument at their home in whether Morigo town, a town in Bergamo village near Bergamo. A 51 according to the police, after stabbing the disease, the suspect tried to revive him by giving him a heart message before the arrival of paramedic. Maybe I'll drop out there, maybe his son. You know, the woman, 23 years old son, was the first to notice what had happened after arrive home and seeing that his mother had set her relationship status on Facebook to widow. Now his son will discover and say, mother don't change the status to a widow for Facebook. The woman is being held for violence. They say his son, I don't even notice and say, her mom don't change the status for Facebook for relationship to widow. Wait till it happen. Now police start to dig. Now they come dig and say, he don't buy this our brother when they do Vagara. This 31 years old guy, when they do Vaga this 51 years old woman. My people, wait till now fix say, I'll put the news. You want to will read them very well. Wait till now fix say, it triggered this thing. For me, the guy could say, do again. Now make this woman by taking life. Because 51 years, 31 years, dating 51 years. You know what, liver? For me, I believe that maybe they jealous. I don't understand. This Europe is deep. Not be Europe alone. Let me say abroad is deep. People when they abroad, may we take them easy. It doesn't mean you must marry a white or the citizen of the country. Now you will take make them. No. You can make them on your own. You can make them with. I don't know how to put it. Because if this guy, he leave his family back home, you go back now, he pass river. You buy this guy now, he pass river to go look for betterment in abroad. Get it there now. You don't see life take go home. They just take a life, just like that. Short corner or shortcut. Let me pass this shortcut. We're not gonna person when he gets mental something. We're not gonna the person when not get mental something. All we desperate is many of us in this Europe. All we desperate is document. We are too desperate on document. I know they blame the guy. Just they talk to many of us when they the world. Desperate of document. If you are in your country, you don't know whether document they exist. At God time, wait for your God time. Many people get them easily. Many people there, for many donkey years, they don't get am. They will not kill their self. God time is the best. At God, we should stop quick action. Because for me, I don't really know a 51 years old woman, 31 years. You see I know say our sister, wait take on Regina Daniel doing, but wait if now say now love, now cause am, or I'm not sure say this woman go take a life. Know who you dey meet go with, and if you dey any relationship, know the person very well, and know wetin is capable of doing. If your partner dey tell you say I will take your life, if you mostly those European people, if they say they will take your life, if you try with me, be very careful. Be distance. Wetin I talk? Be very distance for that person. If you say I will take your life, if you play with me, if you do me anything, I will take your life. Be very careful. Now, they don't carry lawyer give this lady. I think I don't read everything. The lawyer say he take knife to defend herself. She take knife to defend herself. Where did the guy carry? Now find God for your hand. When this lady they take knife to defend herself. Lawyer, you when they say when you want defend this lady, remember you are a human being. If you don't get children, remember your maybe your siblings get children. When you they say without man that don't have gun, don't have anything. Now police, I know say European they call. If guy, if they beat them or maybe guy they molest or anything they happen. Come on as night reach now low my voice now micro one they use. If you talk loud, they will call police. Now police I know say that they call. Why carry knife, using knife to defend herself? You the lawyer when they defend her for court. You see what many of us need to be very careful. Who don't buy, don't buy. Who don't go, don't go. I just say I could drop this news for now. Who don't go, don't go. Lawyer will be there to defend and to see say he win the case. You see what they said this our brother now? They said the woman carried knife to defend herself. That is why he stabbed her for chest. May we be very careful. The desperate one and I talk to so. No can't look who she feel. No can't look anything. No even look the person character. So far now, Bali. So far now, that. If you dare your country, you don't know whether document they exist. And so, as far as we do another country, may we not worry. May we take calm, easy. Do small, do small. One day you get your document. All figure that they are not equal. Some people take calm, just get them easily. When you take time to get them, wait for the God time. They say no, you first started the race if they win the race. You know me say you start the race today. Now you go win now. No. We still have many ways to go. You when they don't take a life now. No life for her again, no life for him again. When we still remain, we still have future. We still have, we still have dream. We still have chance. If you dey out there, you dey into relationship with anybody, you dey say the relationship, they always threaten you, please package yourself well. Even change that city, go another city, go to stay. Because now, once they take your life, you don't finish. My people, I don't even know what they talk. I just dey rant. Because see the guy, see the lady, see the lady. No be say the two orange evil robots for the chest. See the lady when buy this our 31 years when you leave your family for house. When you go say I will go make her, mommy, daddy, my sister, don't worry. All the promise now. This woman just shut the life. I pray may the family know say their brother is no more. I pray may somebody know her. Yes, that be the reason. Please, if you know her, please let the family back home know say their son is not more. It's gone. You don't go meet God. If not God, you go meet. You don't come up for this world. They will be very careful. May you so rest in peace. I sympathize with the family. I pray may the family, may they not say their son, they the word again. Yes, I pray. Because the Europe deep, we don't know what it declare. We don't know how his story be. We don't know what it say, how he started, how he information be for Italy, whether I declare family, whether I don't declare anybody now. Nobody, no. But I believe as I put the picture for the screen, social media don't they make people, they know things now. You go reach one person, you go reach one person. I beg if you know this guy, tell the family, say it's not more. Italy police don't arrest the woman. The lawyer don't try to defend her, say she's protecting herself. I don't know whether now she be the police when want to protect herself or whether the guy carry gun. I beg, I'll leave the news for now. As I talk and since I hope now they read and they come. Thank you. May he so rest in peace. For me to also say rest in peace, they had me for most day for China for call they see recipe. They think they pay me, but because now Italy for happen and maybe he don't get family for Italy, maybe he don't know anybody for Italy. At least with this picture, one of two people go get to know her. Yes. I believe today now your first time of coming across Naija Daughter TV show. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me. Yes, I bring news. I talk news. I bring news. For this channel, I say news without no video. I will not paste down. But this our brother when they stay Italy, because Nigeria and Italy, at least my family still know. If now my family still know say something like this, it happened to him. Yes, I beg. If you just watch this video finish, you can watch my up video. Okay, I still get another channel, Esther Family TV. That channel is about me and my family. Yes, I do vlog. I do make my daughter hair. You can still follow me there. Yes, thank you. I will see you in my next video.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Share